Designed for a married couple with children, work in the city but wanted a contemporary country-style home where they could truly relax in when they went home at night, the modern lodge that has plenty of room for entertaining friends, like the outdoor seating area with a fire pit, is situated on a sloped site overlooking Weatherby Lake, near Kansas City. An entryway with a polished concrete floor and a wood accent wall. The main living area opens up to a double-height ceiling and bright white walls with a black framed window seat with open shelving, and a fireplace has been built into the wall. Off the main living area is a balcony that looks over the lake below. The dining area, behind the living area, anchored in the open plan room by a large chandelier that hangs from the ceiling. In the kitchen, minimalist white cabinets have been paired with a gray countertop that extends out to provide casual bar seating. Behind the kitchen is a set of wood stairs surrounded by white walls that leads up to the second floor of the home. Upstairs, there's an open kids' play area that looks down on the lower level of the home. In the master bedroom, a wood accent wall adds warmth to the mostly white room, while open shelving and a bench have been built into the wall. In the master bathroom, there's a large vanity with dual sinks and plenty of storage, while a glass door and partial wall separates the shower from the rest of the space. The home also has a TV room with a raw concrete wall on the lowest level of the house, and it also has direct access to the backyard. Here's a glimpse of the house at dusk.